Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop.
Everyone, my name is Tamarai and these are my group members. We are from group 8. This one is
Alia. My name is Rabiato.
And I'm Lionel.
Today we would like to present our PBL project entitled Smart Door Lock System. But before that, let's watch a short video regarding 3 different situations. Let's go.
The first problem statement in our project is too many keys in key cluster. As we watched the first case just now, the girl was struggling to find the right key to open the door. Secondly, the second problem statement is hands full. In the second case, that person has difficulties opening the door since he was carrying a lot of stuff. The last problem statement is risk of lock picking. In that video, we can see that a stranger or thief picked the door lock and broke into the house. Hence, to overcome all these problems, we have designed a smart door lock system. In the next slide, we will be explaining about the coding of this system.
For the coding part, the first part is defining the components such as segment 1 until segment 8, LED and sensor by relocating the addresses in the microprocessor to the components. For the main program, the origin is in address 1000 hexa. First is to make sure the LED does not turn on. Then, all the segments are clear so the display does not show anything. Next is the subroutines. For tap subroutine, it will display tap on the screen and branch to subroutine sensor 1. The subroutine sensor 1 detects if the user has tapped the card. Sensor will on when user taps the card properly. When sensor equal 1, it will branch to subroutine open. If not, it will branch to subroutine wrong. For subroutine open, the screen will show the word open and turn on the LED to show that the door is open. Then, it will compare 0 to the sensor to see if the door is closed. If it is equal, it will branch to subroutine stop. If not, it will branch to subroutine open 1. In subroutine open 1, segment 1 will show a timer that counts down from 5 until 0. Then, the code will check if the sensor is off. If sensor equals to 0, it will branch to subroutine stop. If not, it will branch to subroutine LED 1. The subroutine LED 1 will turn on the LED and detect if the door has been closed by comparing the sensor to 0. If it is equal, it will branch to subroutine stop. If it is not, it will branch to LED 1. For subroutine wrong, it will print out an error in the screen and branch to the subroutine stop. The subroutine delay and daily is used to delay the system so the user has time to tap the card properly. For subroutine stop, first, it will clear up the display. Then, it will print out close before branching back to start after a short delay.
Case number 1. When the simulation is run, first we can see that the system are in sleep mode, where all the 7 segments are blank. Once the system detects human movement, it will ask the user to tap the card. If no card detected or wrong card was tapped, the system then will display error and will not open the door. Next case is when the user tap the card and the access is accepted. The system or the door will open and lock again once the user closes the door. Third case is when the user tap the card and the access is accepted. The system or the door will open, but for this situation, the user forgot to immediately close the door. So, the system will warn or notify the user after 5 seconds by producing alarm. And from the simulation, the alarm was represented by LED. And once the user closes the door will lock.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
I'm fine too.
Hi guys, how are your studies so far?
My study is going well, but I have another problem. I feel fed up with my door every time I return from class or shopping. It is hard for me to immediately open the door without put away all my stuff first. I wish there is something I can do so that I can quickly open the door.
Speaking of those, my house was broken into a few days ago. A thief picked my lock. Luckily, the police came in time and caught the thief.
Even I have a same problem with my door. I had a bunch of keys, and when the time I want to open the door, it really annoyed me because I couldn't find the right keys to open the door.
Aha! Listen to all of your problem. I have a solution for you guys. I just installed a smart door lock system at my house a month ago, and I'm really satisfied with the performance.
Really? What are the applications of this system, Alia?
Application of this system is it can be used at home and workplace. The best part of this is you just need a tab or a tab and you can enter the room easily.
Oh, what is the advantages of this system, Alia?
There are a few advantages that will help us a lot. Firstly, by just using one tab, we can easily enter the house. Next, this system is really convenient as it doesn't require a bunch of keys to open it. Last but not least, as the problem mentioned by Lionel just now, we can also avoid the issue like lock picking. You guys should really try this system, as it is really benefit for us.
Thanks for the helpful recommendation, Alia. Well, I got to go now. See you guys later.
Bye!
Lollipop. Boom, boom.